Hello friends, in our previous section we have learnt about the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time is given by npr, and its formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So this formula is used when repetition is not allowed. In this section we are going to learn about the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time when the repetitions is allowed. So the formula here for the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time is given by n power r, and the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken r at a time with at least one repetition is given by n power r minus npr. So these were the formulas here which we deal with in the concept of permutation when the repetitions are allowed. Now let us deal with some examples which are based on the same concept. So let us find the number of permutations of 4-digit numbers formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 when repetition is allowed. So by this formula we get the value of n as 6 and r would be here 4, as we have to find the number of permutations of 4-digit numbers using these digits. So the formula is here n power r. So by applying the formula here we get the value as 6 power 4. That implies we get this value as 1296. Similarly we have the other example. So here we have to find the 4-letter words that can be formed using the word piston, in which at least one repetition is allowed. So the given word has 6 letters, and the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using 6 letters when repetition is allowed is given by n power r, and by substituting here we get 6 power 4. And when repetition is not allowed we use this formula, that is npr. So here n is nothing but 6 and r is nothing but 4. So by replacing we get 6p4. So hence the number of 4-letter words in which at least one repetition is allowed is given by n power r minus npr. That is, we have to replace these two values in this formula. So we get here 6 power 4 minus 6p4. That implies we get the value of 6 power 4 as 1296 minus 6p4, and its value would be here 360. So on subtracting these numbers we get the value as 936. So this was a basic introduction on permutations when repetitions are allowed. Hope you understood the concept. In our next coming up videos we are going to solve few more examples on the same concept. So stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.